Hello everybody, I'm at the vending machine. At first glance, not very interesting, but we'll have a look. Mercury Cyclone and the Jaguar is nice. This row is uninteresting. Nice cars are at the back. There's the red Toyota Celica or Toyota Supra. Chevy Silverado is nice. This is a new casting, the dragging wagon, or is it? And the cone car. Hot Wheels Premium is also uninteresting. Some futuristic car and a peanut Fiat 500. Looks cute. So let's see from the side, Honda NSX from Kaido House, a Mini GT 5-pack for 35 ringgit is cheap, but fantasy casting. I bought this from Tomica version of this Nismo Nissan Fairlady, and then there's this Jaguar and Land Rover Transporter set. A custom truck and a Proton Saga. Kaido House BMW looks nice. Honda Civic, Pop Race Supra. So nothing that I would like to buy, except for this, which I have been eyeing for a long time because I like the Land Rover. But I don't like the tow hook. It looks very protruding. So wait for the price to drop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. 6 cars for 140. So one is about 21 ringgit.